everybody, welcome to BilisummaaShow. As you may already know or heard, the Oromia region's president, Atomsa, passed away. What has Atomsa has done for Oromo people when he was alive and president of Oromia region? Anything good at all? I would like to learn more. If you have information, you can share what Atomsa has done for Oromo people when he was alive and president of Oromia region. Thanks for watching our BilisummaaShow. You take care. Hello everybody, welcome to BilisummaaShow. We know that when Jurari Soto of a leader of OPDO that there were more than 20,000 Oromo political prisoners inside prisons. We know more Oromo people were losing their land and becoming homeless over there inside Oromia. Can you share with us anything good at all that Jurari Soto has done when he was on power over there inside TPLF's Oromia? Can you share anything at all? Anything good? Here's your chance. You can share with us anything that Jurari Soto has done for Oromo people when he was on power over there inside TPLF's Oromia. We know that OPDO was created by the TPLF. OPDO works for the best interests of TPLF. OPDO controls Oromo people and collects taxes from Oromo people. What do you think? Do you think Jurari Soto has done anything good at all for Oromo people? If you know anything good that Jurari Soto has done for Oromo people, share it with us. Please leave your comments under the video here, or you could email it to bilisummaashow@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. You take care. Take care of yourself, your family, and the one you love. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.